So let's proceed to number 9. So find dy over dx and simplify the result whenever possible. So for number 9, y is equals to x plus 1 raised to the power of 2x. So take note that this rule, so ln of a raised to the power of b is equals to b ln of a. So take note of that one. So we'll multiply both sides to its natural logarithm to find its first derivative, because we are having a term 2x in the uh, exponent. So we have ln of y is equals to ln of x plus 1 raised to the power of 2x. So our a here, a is equals to, so x plus 1, and our b here is equals to 2x. So we have take note of that one. So we have ln of y is equals to L, ln a raised to the power of b is equals to b ln a. So b is equals to 2x. So ln, so a is equals to 2x ln a. So a is equals to x plus 1. So we're now ready to differentiate both sides to its first derivative. So derivative of ln y is equals to 1 over u. So u is equals to y. So derivative of y is equals to y prime is equals to, so 2x. So we have derivative of ln u. So 1 over u. So 1 over, so u is equals to x plus 1. 1 over u. D over dx is equals to 1 of x plus 1. So plus, so just copy ln x plus 1. So derivative of 2x is equals to 2. So we have y prime all over y is equals to 2x all over x plus 1. So plus, plus 2 ln of x plus 1. So we'll bracket. So we have y prime is equals to 2x all over x plus 1 plus 2 ln of x plus 1. So times y. So we have multiply y. So take note that y is equals to x plus 1 raised to the power of 2x. So y is equals to x plus 1 raised to the power of 2x. So x plus 1 raised to the power of 2x. So let's substitute that one. So y prime is equals to, so x plus 1 raised to the power of 2x times 2x all over x plus 1 plus 2 ln of x plus 1. So we will distribute. So we have y prime is equals to x plus 1. So we have x plus 1 raised to the power of 2x times 2x all over x plus 1. So plus, so we'll just combine these two terms first. So just combine these two terms. So we have x plus 1 raised to 2x. So x plus 1. So we have 2x plus 2 times x plus 1 ln of x plus 1. So we're now ready to simplify. So we have x plus 1 raised to the power of 2x all over x plus 1. So times 2x plus 2 times x plus 1 ln of x plus 1. So we'll simplify. So we have, so the division rule of algebra, so a raised to the power of b, so x raised to the power of a, x raised to the power of a is all over x raised to the power of b is equals to x raised to the power of a minus b. So a minus b, so we have x plus 1 raised to the power of 2x minus 1. So we'll factor the common of these two terms. So we factor 2. So we have x plus uh, x plus 1 x plus 1 times ln of x plus 1. So we have y prime is equals to 2 multiplied by x plus 1 raised to 2x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 1 multiplied by ln of x plus 1. So this will be now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. So 2 times x plus 1 raised to 2x minus 1. So 2 times x plus 1 raised to 2x minus 1 times x plus 1. So times x plus 1. So ln of x plus 1. So ln of x plus 1. So this will be na our final answer. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to another number.